Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Mountain House local and long distance movers near me. Our team of qualified movers can make sure your long distance move goes smoothly. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. The right moving services help make all the difference, and we offer just what you require for your upcoming move. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also provide many other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing a local California moving company might seem unnecessary initially. A local moving company supplies many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. A good moving company is going to help you save time no matter how far you're moving. It will also keep you from needing to deal with heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you receive a very efficient move from start to finish. 3 Movers knows how to improve your move. We can complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Mountain House moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.